Before installing the power cords, probes, or other accessories, it is important to consider the environmental conditions that the ultrasound will be operated under. The working environment should have an approximate temperature range of 5 degrees to 40 degrees Celsius or 41 degrees to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, and a relative humidity range of approximately 30% to 80% with no condensation. The ideal atmospheric pressure would range from approximately 700 to 1060 HPa. Strong radiation sources or powerful electromagnetic waves may result in image ghosting or noise. The system should be isolated from such radiation sources or electromagnetic waves. Transportation and storage of the 8300 is best if it is kept within the system tolerances. The approximate temperature range should be -5 degrees to 40 degrees Celsius or 23 degrees to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, and a relative humidity of 30% to 80% with no condensation. The atmospheric pressure would range from approximately 86 to 106 kPa. It is important to make sure that the AC voltage matches the power requirements indicated on the system's label. Connecting the system to the wrong power supply may cause damage to the system and danger to the operators and patients. It is important to use the power cable that is provided to ensure proper function. The power cable that is provided is a 3-wire cable and uses a 3-pin grounded plug, which has a grounding terminal. Follow these simple steps to connect electricity to the ultrasound. Step number 1. Connect the plug of the power cord to the AC power in socket at the rear panel of the system. Step number 2. Connect the other end of the power cord into the AC power supply socket. The 8300 also has an equal potential terminal that is used to equalize the grounding terminals between the system and other electronic equipment that may be connected to the system.